Today's job is to replace this keyboard palm rest assembly. There are some keyboard keys on this keyboard doesn't work. Yeah, let's see how this keyboard was built. You see, on the back, it have this metal plate to hold the keyboard. The keyboard is in plastic. It's like a plastic soldered onto, you see, the soldering spot. So if we just replace the keyboard, it won't be able to looks as good as the factory. Yeah, this is a brand new keyboard and palm rest assembly. So yeah, this way we get the best result. We will transfer over the trackpad and transfer over the fingerprint reader. This is how it looks like. Take the back cover off. Yeah, I will disconnect the battery and also clean the fan. Looks like there is the cat hair in the fan. To get to the palm rest on the keyboard, we have to take out the battery, the motherboard, the CPU heat sink, and be able to separate the screen from the palm rest. Next step is to transfer the trackpad and fingerprint reader, also this charging port, and then we can put it back together. Finish the transfer over the trackpad and the fingerprint reader, also the DC jack. Yeah, this is the new keyboard palm rest. The same laptop have a hinge problem as well. The hinge was broken off the back housing. It's like here. So yeah, and fix the hinge as well. We're almost done here. The motherboard and the battery already installed back. The hinge of the screen, yeah, it's we applied cold soldering solution, and it should as hard as steel in 24 hours. Yeah. After testing the machine, we will put the back cover on, and it should be ready tomorrow. Now the computer is fixed with a new keyboard trackpad, and also the hinge will be ready tomorrow. So this computer will be ready tomorrow for pickup.